Have you ever been puzzled by unexpected behavior in your code? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you think you've done everything right. If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with router subscriptions in Angular. I totally get it. You write your code, and it seems to work perfectly, but then you notice it logging unexpected values. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with Angular's router. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does my router subscription log multiple times?" They shared that when navigating to different pages, the console logs unexpected values. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this? When you subscribe to router events, every navigation triggers the subscription, which can lead to multiple calls if not handled correctly. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's happening. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your subscriptions effectively and avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue of multiple subscriptions in the router events, the user should first ensure that they unsubscribe from previous subscriptions. This can be done by storing the subscription in a variable and unsubscribing when the component is destroyed. Next, the user should modify the subscription logic to prevent multiple calls when navigating between pages. This can be achieved by checking if the current page ID is different from the previous one before making the HTTP call. Additionally, the user should consider using the switch map operator from RxJS. This operator can help manage the subscriptions more effectively by switching to a new observable when a new event occurs. Finally, the user should test the implementation by navigating between different page IDs. They should observe the console logs to confirm that only the expected IDs are logged without duplicates. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Angular was released in 2010? It has come a long way since then, and so have the challenges developers face. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests moving the router subscription from ng-on-init to a separate function called onRouteChange. This way, the subscription only triggers on navigation events, specifically when the route changes to a page. Additionally, it recommends checking the event URL to ensure the code only runs for the desired page path. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution provided by another user involves managing subscriptions more effectively. They suggest initializing a subscription variable to handle router events only when navigation ends. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using a flag to prevent multiple subscriptions. They suggest filtering the router events to only respond to navigation end events. This way, the logic to fetch data is executed only once per navigation. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always manage your subscriptions properly. This simple habit can save you from a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By managing your router subscriptions, you can avoid those pesky multiple logs. Remember, good practices lead to smoother coding experiences. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing Angular performance.